Using 2 plastic bottles, some duct tape, and a little bit of water, you can create your own mesmerizing tornado in a bottle. Begin by filling one bottle about 3/4 full with water. Add a few drops of food coloring to make it more visually striking, and screw the bottles tightly together using the tape. Holding the bottles by the neck, flip them over so the bottle with water is on top, and swirl the top bottle in a circular motion. As the water begins to spiral, a small vortex will form, resembling a miniature tornado. This occurs because of the centripetal force acting on the water, drawing it toward the center, mimicking the atmospheric conditions that create real tornadoes.